Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working WebDriver, matching browser driver, and your project language bindings. Once done, locate the target element with the fastest stable locator. Then cast your driver to JavaScriptexecutor so you can run scripts directly in the page context. Make sure to prepare a compact JavaScript string and decide whether you'll pass the element as an argument or query it inside the script. This is the only way to bridge WebDriver commands within Page.js reliably. You now implement the actual execution patterns. For interactions, use execute script and pass the element as argument 0 to click or change attributes, because direct DOM calls avoid WebDriver timing issues. To retrieve data, prepend return and capture the result into your test variable. If the script must wait for an asynchronous action, use execute async script and invoke the callback when done. Make sure your JS is minimal and uses past arguments to avoid scoping issues across frames or shadow DOM. You finish by validating results and cleaning up. Requery the element state after execution and use explicit waits so the DOM is stable. If your element lives in a frame or shadow DOM, switch to the correct frame or traverse shadow routes before passing elements. When something breaks, log the exact script and the element outer HTML, then check the browser console for errors. This reveals scoping or type problems. Finally, make sure to avoid brittle selectors and prefer passing elements as arguments to JavaScriptexecutor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.